Good day everyone, my name is Gabriel Concepcion and I am currently a first year student majoring in computer science at CSPC. Today I will be discussing an important and multifaceted topics. Ethical concerns that the student face, ethical concerns within the school environment, and ethical challenges we may encounter in the field of computer science in the future. Additionally, I will propose potential solutions to address this concern.
Have you ever wondered about the ethical tightrope students walk daily in their academic and social lives? In the bustling world of academia, students frequently face a myriad of ethical challenges that test their integrity and moral compass. One of the foremost issues is academic dishonesty, which encompasses cheating on exam, plagiarism in writing assignment, and the manipulation of data in academic projects. These practices not only undermine the educational process, but also jeopardize the students' characters and future credibility. Imagine, for a moment, a student copying part of an essay from the internet to meet a deadline. While it seems like a shortcut to good grades, it's a breach of academic integrity that can diminish the value of their education and erode trust with professor and peers alike. Another significant ethical concern is the intense pressure to excel academically. This pressure can be overwhelming, pushing some students to compromise their health and ethical standard just to keep up. It's not uncommon to hear about students who, driven by the fear of failing, resort to unethical practices like acquiring exam answers or fabricating lab results. The impact of this decision goes beyond just academic records. It affects mental health and well-being. The constant strain to perform can lead to stress, anxiety, and feeling of isolation. This is where the ethical dilemma defends, as the mental health of the student should never be the price paid for academic success. To confront these ethical quandaries, educational institutions play a pivotal role. School and university can cultivate a culture of honesty and support by implementing honor codes, utilizing plagiarism detection software, and fostering an environment where students feel valued beyond their academic performance. Moreover, providing robust mental health resources and creating space for open discussion about academic pressure can empower students to make ethical choices. Navigating these ethical challenges is crucial not just for academic success but fostering a culture of integrity that lasts a lifetime. Schools are breeding ground for future leaders. But what happens when these institutions face their ethical dilemmas? Imagine walking through the hall of a school where every classroom should be a gateway to equal opportunity. Yet, reality often tells a different story. One of the most pressing ethical challenges schools face today is ensuring equitable access to educational resources. Socioeconomic disparities can create a vast chasm between the opportunities available to students from different backgrounds. This inequality can significantly affect educational outcomes and limit future opportunities for those on the less privileged side of the divide. Another ethical hurdle is the protection of student data. In an era where education increasingly relies on digital tools, the amount of personal information stored online balloons. This data, if not properly secured, can fall prey to breaches and misuse. Schools must navigate the fine line between harnessing the benefits of technology and safeguarding the privacy of their students. The question then arises, how do schools tackle these ethical challenges? First, addressing the issue of equitable access. School can implement policies that promote inclusivity and fairness. This might include offering need-based scholarship or adjusting resources allocation to ensure all students have the tools they need to succeed. Furthermore, to protect student data, schools should adopt robust data protection measures. This could entail upgrading IT infrastructure to secure networks and conducting regular audits to ensure compliance with privacy standards. Educating staff and students about the importance of data security is also crucial, creating a culture of vigilance and responsibility. As schools strive to solve this ethical issue, they must also foster an environment where these concerns can be openly discussed. Encouraging dialogue among educators, students, and parents build a community aware of and committed to ethical practices. This communal approach not only helps in troubleshooting immediate problems, but also in cultivating a generation that values and upholds ethical standards. Creating an ethical foundation within the schools is essential for building a just and equitable educational system. As we step up in the world of computer science, what ethical frontiers are we expected to navigate? In the realm of computer science, each line of code we write and system we design carries potential ethical implication. One of the most pressing challenges today is the development and deployment of artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies. These powerful tools have the capacity to reshape industries, influence public policies, and even alter human behavior. However, they also pose significant risks if not managed with an ethical awareness. A critical concern is the potential for AI to perpetuate existing biases. Algorithms are only as impartial as the data they process. When these datasets include biased human decision or historical inequalities, the AI system can end up reinforcing these biases, inadvertently or otherwise. This can manifest in various ways, from skewed hiring practices to biased law enforcement surveillance technology. Moreover, privacy and consent are paramount in your digital age. As computer scientists, the responsibility to safeguard user against breaches is monumental. Ethical questions arise about what data should be collected, how it's used, and who has access to it. With every application we develop, ensuring that user consent is informed and genuine is a foundational ethical standard that must not be overlooked. Turning to cybersecurity, the stakes are incredibly high. The increasing sophistication of cyber attacks means that protecting data from hackers and ensuring that our systems are resilient against breaches is more critical than ever. This not only protects individual private information but also secures the infrastructure that society on daily. To mitigate this concern, embracing ethical practices from the ground is essential. These include crafting transparent algorithms, utilizing diverse datasets to minimize bias, and adhering to rigorous cybersecurity protocols. Moreover, as the field continues to evolve, so must our understanding and application of ethical guidelines. Continuous education and ethical discourse are indispensable tools for any computer scientist. In the rapidly evolving field of computer science, staying ethically vigilant is as crucial as being technologically innovative. Identifying problem is a first step, but how do we chart a course toward ethical solution? In the realm of student life, the promotion of academic integrity is crucial. Implementing comprehensive academic integrity programs and enhancing mental health support can significantly alleviate ethical stresses. Schools could adopt honor codes, use plagiarism detection software, and facilitate workshops that stress the importance of honest work. For educational institutions, fostering an inclusive environment is key. Schools should enact policy that ensure equal access to resources and protect student data. This might include offering need-based scholarship and upgrading IT infrastructure to shield against data breaches. In the field of computer science, adhering to ethical guidelines is paramount. Professionals should commit to continuous learning to keep abreast of the latest ethical standards. Developing transparent algorithms and ensuring diverse datasets can help mitigate bias in AI and other technologies. With thoughtful solutions and collective efforts, we can tackle these ethical challenges heads-on, ensuring a fairer and more responsible future.